I like trains.
Another one.
Hello everyone. Well, the last video you guys saw, M214 with a UPNS, and now we have M217 heading westbound. I think this is the last train I'm going to see here. But regardless, still very happy. The UP train is the reason why I went out, but I was expecting M217 to get here first. But nope. Yeah, M214 and M217 both work Jessup. So, yeah. They can't be in there at the same time, so that's why M214 had to get out of the way.
Two trains at once, and I think that's another.
This is 217 westbound.
American Railway.
Jessup is a little bit west of here, technically south of here geographically, but by train it's west. And this train should be picking up Autoracks from Jessup. Westbounds pick up, eastbounds drop off. So that 214 was longer before it got to Jessup. M217 heading westbound from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania to Louisville, Kentucky. Empty Autoracks. And we have ourselves a Conrail. Lots of graffiti on these Autoracks. Kansas City Southern, that's technically a fallen flag now. Oh, the CP rail. Wasn't sure what that one said. The end is way back there. There it goes. M217 westbound here at Dorsey. Thank you guys for watching, and here, Dorsey Mark Station in the CSX Capital Subdivision with the MB Avgeek. This is the old man guy signing off, and everyone watching this video, as always, have a great day wherever you may be.